What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. This channel is called Hotel Delta, covering all things two wheels with an emphasis in Harley-Davidsons. Just got back from a test ride. It's a 2022 Street Glide Special with the 131 kit. Let's go and check it out.
Guys, this is a brand new 2022 Street Glide in red line red, and yes, it does have the 131 in it. This is not a cold start. This bike's been sitting here running for about 10 minutes, getting warmed up. Bassani exhaust 2-in-1 with a ghost pipe. Everything else is straight out of the 131 kit. Nice little lope to it. All right, let's go for a ride. Exhaust sounds pretty good. Hope everybody's doing all right. Got a little weather coming in tomorrow, so we're gonna knock this video out today. Taking out a brand new 2022 Street Glide Special with the floor build we just did, which is a 131 kit, not the crate motor. So it's still the same stock bottom end that the bike came with, but it is a 131 now. Bike sounds good, thanks to some Bassani exhaust. Again, this motor has not been broken. Whenever the techs put it together, and our tech Joel did this as a floor build last Saturday on our showroom floor. Whenever they're done, they got to do a shakedown run on it, and they're supposed to do about 50 miles. Make sure nothing comes loose. Make sure and get the first heat cycle through, and then some, obviously. 50-mile run on a brand new motor is a pretty good little run. Everything sounds as it should. It's got a pretty good grunt on the bottom of it. I'm barely even in the throttle, and it just wants to go. You know, it's a beautiful day in February when people are out just walking around in flip-flops and tank tops. Guys, I hope everybody's enjoying the videos. I'm definitely enjoying them doing it. It's growing in popularity. It's doing what I hoped it'd do. Please, if you're enjoying the videos, give me a subscribe. If you have any questions for me, please comment down below. Trying to get to those as quickly as I can. And if you have a suggestion for a video, if there's something new coming out, if there's something you think I should cover, let me know about it. I'd be more than happy to try to get that done for you. Trying to put out 1 or 2 videos a week. Try to let you know when we have cool stuff in the shop. Obviously all the new bikes are just coming out, so going through a lot of that stuff right now. Lowrider S, Street Glide ST. Have not seen any Lowrider STs. Doesn't sound like we're going to get any till, I don't know, maybe end of March, maybe early January. Looks like Harley's back into their production issues. We have not seen any new bikes in the last couple weeks. That van was sweet. So we're sitting around waiting on bikes again. We thought we were doing good on inventory, and here we are back down under 20. So pretty cool to see the traffic cop. Don't see those every day anymore. Beautiful downtown green on a beautiful day. People walking around, enjoying some frosty beverages. Sounds pretty good right about now. So here's a common question. Obviously, with Harley putting a 117 in a Lowrider S, Harley putting a 117 in the Street Glide ST, Road Glide ST, When are the CVOs going to see a bigger displacement motor? And every year we think it's coming. It's coming. Bigger motor in the CVOs. Until you really start looking back at how long they ran the 110 in the CVOs. That motor was around for a long time. Now I think they have a little more competition now with the Indians, you know, doing their 116s and all that. So maybe it'll happen a little sooner. I really think with it being, you know, a 117 and a lowrider S and a 117 and just a street glide and road glide, it's got to be around the corner. Do they go to a 131? Do they go with the 122, which is a great motor as well? Obviously only time will tell. And you also got to figure, you know, they've been running the same frame since 2009. When are we going to see a new frame? I know you guys think about it. Obviously we talk about it a lot at the shop. Obviously any change for us is good. We move more product, move more bikes. But I mean, we're motorheads too. We're fans of the motor company as well. We like to see new stuff hit the floor. We like to ride it ourselves. We loved it when the 131 came out. We couldn't wait to get our hands on one of these kits, put it in a bike and go take it for a ride. And it's, I know guys are taking these motors, putting, you know, full-blown header systems, putting bigger cams in it, dyno tuning them, pumping out over 150 horsepower, 150 foot-pounds, which is great. If that's what you're after, you start straining a motor that heavy, it's only a matter of time till, you know, you find the weak point. We've had several guys blow compensators trying to downshift on these things. That's a common occurrence. A lot of people note that the ramps on the newer bikes are smaller than what they were on the twin cams, and then you put way more power to it, try to downshift. It's a weak point for sure. She pulls pretty hard, not bad at all. And obviously I was still short shifting there. I was not wrapping it out whatsoever. Good combination, 131 kit, Bassani pipe. Sounds excellent. Guys, y'all have any questions, again, please comment below. Let me know what I should do for another video. I'm definitely going to be covering my Pan America here soon. I have a couple of exhaust options on it. Right now I have a toast pipe, got a quiet baffle. Gonna compare those two. Got some more bikes with parts on it, I'll be covering those as well. Some cool stuff from the parts department, parts and accessories. Be doing some of that stuff. Hope everybody enjoys Super Bowl Sunday. You probably won't see this until after. My prediction, I think the Rams are probably winning by double digits, but we'll see. Pretty awesome what Joe Burrow and the Bengals have done. I got some OU guys on that team. Anybody knows me knows I'm a pretty big OU fan. Maybe that's why I like this color. Just hope for a good game. I'm sure some of you guys are watching just for the halftime show. Can't blame you for that either. I'm old school. I like that stuff. Guys, again, comment below. Please, please, please subscribe. Everybody have a great weekend. Stay safe. If you get a drink for the Super Bowl, get a ride home. Look out for bikers. Y'all take care.